guys, I'm gonna replace my clutch here. As you can see, it's loose, and I actually replaced this other one because when I crashed, it's mixed match right now. As you can see, I'm gonna see if I can actually do this real quick without my phone messing up. All you need is an Allen key, really. So far, I'm lucking out. That's all I need. Let's do this quick. Make sure you don't lose your bolt. I think I gotta loosen this up. Ooh, yeah, of course. Oh no. Oh, there we go. I loosened it up. I think this is how you do it. Twist this bad boy. Fuck. Oh man, this thing has never been changed, it looks like. There we go, I got it out. Okay. See how I got it there, guys? Looks pretty rough there. Hopefully I don't screw myself here like I just did there. Darn it. Okay.
No, I didn't.
Hey guys. I'm having an issue here with my clutch. Trying to replace my clutch. Here's my OEM one, my original. The only reason why I'm replacing it is because when I crashed, I had to replace that. So you see, different color. The problem is, that I'm having right here, is this fucking little wire, wherever the hell you may be, right there, is too thick. As you can see, it fits in this one, no problem. If you guys can see, fits in no problem. And it fits in there, no problem. But on this one, on my new one, as you can see, it will indeed fit. That will fit right there. Okay, sorry, I'm trying to do this in one hand. That will fit, but it won't fit in there like that. So I'll be back. I'm gonna see if I can Dremel this out or whatever I can do to see if I can get some play. If not, I'll have to go back to my stock one. Okay, I'll be back. Alright, I got my clutch finished, as you see on one of the videos. It's a little loose. I don't know why it's loose, but my OEM one was like that too. Maybe if I stick a washer somewhere in there. I'll have to check my manual actually, but it works actually. Let's give it a boot. There's the pole right about there.
Lock me up and throw away the key. It's kinda crazy how they did the homie T.I.P. Stay strapped, fuck.